Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to unmute a group on WhatsApp using your PC. If you've muted a group and want to start receiving notifications again, don't worry, it's quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and have access to your chats. Once the app is open, you'll see your list of conversations on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, locate the group you want to unmute. You can find it by scrolling through your chat list or using the search bar at the top for quicker access. Once you've found the group, click to open it. Now comes the key step. With the group chat open, press Ctrl P Shift M on your keyboard. This shortcut is specifically designed for muting and unmuting chats in WhatsApp's desktop app. Since the group is currently muted, this action will instantly unmute it. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted the group. From now on, you'll start receiving notifications whenever new messages are sent in that group. This feature is incredibly useful for staying updated on important conversations without missing a beat. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance managing their WhatsApp notifications. Thanks for tuning in and happy chatting.